Hello, Mr. Eric, Mr. Ryan, are you right? Okay, so we given a time string. Do you know how to read the time, yeah? What time is it now? It's 4:41, right?
Yeah.
4:41. So this is 12-hour format, right? If it's 24-hour format, it would be like 16:41 p.m., right? Okay.
We don't write PM when it's 24 hours.
Okay, good. Okay, so now let's take a look at this 12-hour format. 12-hour format. We're given a 12-hour format, so it's in the format of hour, 2-digit, minutes. Yeah. So this hour, this two string, which is from 00 to 11, right? Okay. And this minute is from 00 to 59. So we're given a string with some question mark for it. Okay, for example, like.
Question mark, question mark, question
Okay.
mark, question mark, question
Okay,
mark.
so 0 question mark 56.
3:56.
Hear me out. Okay, so we want to find out the latest possible
Hear me out,
time
Dad.
for the 12-hour format.
Yeah. And you
Okay,
want
so
it
which one? So what's the answer?
3:56.
9.
9. Yes. Question mark 1. Question mark. Question mark. Okay.
1 o'clock.
What's the latest possible
1
time?
on the left. 1 on the left.
11:59.
Yeah.
Okay.
1 on the left.
Okay.
One
Then.
11:59.
Okay. Question mark 2.
22.
Question mark 9.
12:59.
No. The
22:50. 22:59.
2:59.
2:59. Okay, 2:59. Yes, got it. Okay, so how do we solve this problem? We're given a string of.
Can you open the laptop?
No, but
Mhm.
12 o'clock is in the 12 hours.
No, it's in a 24 hours. That's why I said at the beginning.
No,
0 to
it is.
11.
No, it is not.
It's up to 12:59 and then it goes to 1 o'clock. There's 12:59.
The 12:59, then 1 o'clock.
No,
Yeah.
okay. No, I don't think so because 12 hours.
Yeah, it is.
0 to 11. How many digits? How many possible digits?
Wait.
How many digits? That's 12 digits. If you allowed 12, they'll make it 13.
It's 12 o'clock in the 12-hour time. So there is 12 o'clock twice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's 12:59.
No, 12:59. That would be a 24-hour format. That's what I'm saying.
No, it isn't.
Okay, this is not a key thing today.
You
Okay.
can search it on the computer then.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
you can search it on a computer.
Okay. Let me open the question. Okay. 12-hour format. We're out between 0 to 11 because they're 12 digits. Okay. That's what he
No,
said.
that doesn't mean that it is true that there isn't.
12-hour format. Already. Yeah.
See? 1 a.m. to 12 noon and 1 p.m. to 12 midnight.
Mm.
Who's the one now?
Oh ho ho. No, it
Okay.
goes to 12 to 12:59 and then it goes to 1 p.m.
12. Okay. You may be right. Okay.
That's mine.
Okay. Don't hit me. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Let's just assume, the question is saying that the hour is from 0 to 11. Okay. For simplicity. What's your solution?
The last digit is question mark, put 9 there.
Yeah.
We're done. Okay, so that's for sure, right? Because it doesn't affect other digits. That's for sure. Okay. Okay. So let's look at the example, right? H M N. Okay. If this is unknown, we put a 9. That's for sure, right? Okay. And what else?
If the second last one, then you put 5.
If the second last one, okay, this is put a 5 because it doesn't affect anything. Okay, that's good. Okay, so yeah. How about these two?
If the second last digit is a question mark, put a 5.
Yeah, that's what Eric said. Okay.
If the second digit is a question mark, put a 9. No, put a 2.
If the second digit is question mark unknown, put a 2.
Yeah, so you could do 12.
No, put a 1. That's
No, it depends.
okay. It depends. Yeah, it depends. Why?
If the left one is 0, then you do 9, and
Yeah.
if the left one is 1 or question mark, then put 2.
Okay, so how about the first one? So which digit we should look at
If the
first?
first one is question mark, if the first one is question mark, then if the second one is above 2, put 0. If it is 2 or below, put 1.
How about question mark? If the second digit is question mark,
Put 12.
Put
1.
put a 1. Yes. Any other opinions?
No.
Okay. So which one we should look at first?
You should always look at the.
You
You
look
always look at the
one.
second one first.
Look at second one or look at first one?
Second one.
If we look at the second one, we need to check the first
No,
one.
wait.
But if you.
No.
But
What
if you look for the first one, then you need to check the second one.
Yeah, I know.
Exactly.
But it's the same, right? It's the same thing, right?
Then why do you ask the question?
No. So that's that's a tricky question, okay? I'm not saying which one is right. I'm saying, you know.
No. It wasn't. No, you just said, oh, okay.
Okay, so for this one, for these two, so let's look at the first digit. If the second digit is question mark, is unknown, or
One.
if it's less or equal than 1, yeah? Then we put a 1. Otherwise, we put a 0, right? Yeah? And then let's look at the second digit. If the first digit, now we already done the first digit, now we can look at the second digit, right? Yeah? If the first digit is,
One or question mark then.
no,
No, if it's one or question mark then it's 2.
I know, no question mark because we just finished the first digit, so it cannot be
two.
question mark again, right? So if
1. If it's 1 then 2.
If it is 0, then.
if this one,
If it's 1 then 2. If it's 0 then 9.
if it's 1 and 1, remember?
No, yeah.
Remember this one.
If it's 1 then 2.
If it's 1 and 1, then otherwise it's 0, okay?
No, you already established that.
Okay, so I understand your point. 2 is the same, right? It's like it's
If it's
similar.
1 then 2.
The valid hours is from 00 to 11:59. Okay? If the first one is 1,
Wait.
or
If 0, that's 24-hour time.
no,
Yeah.
how is that 24-hour time?
No, even midnight, 24 hours just goes to 0 o'clock, and if it's 12 hours, then they go straight to 1. If it's 1, then 2. If it's 0, then 9.
This is details. This is detail. Okay. Okay. So
If it's 1, then 2. If it's 0, then 9.
okay. So let me write the code. Okay. So I think you get it. Okay. Let me write the
Can't
code.
you change the whole bit?
Yes. Okay. Define latest time.
If it's 1,
We
then
given a string time, which is in the format of these 5 digits. Okay. So now we have to split into split by the column, right? So h
Smoking.
m equals t dot split. We split by the column. Now h and m is a size to string, but we can't change the string because string in Python is immutable. We have to make it a list or array, right? So h equals the list,
If it's 1, then 2.
h m equals the
If
list
it's 1, then 2.
m.
If
Okay.
it's 0, then 9.
Okay, that's it.
If it's 1, then 2.
If it's 0, then 9.
If it's 1, then 2.
Now let's look at the minutes
No.
first. Come on.
If it's 1, then 2.
You want to
If
write the
it's 0,
code here?
then 9. Okay, sure.
Okay.
Sure.
You know how to write it? That's not Python code, okay? Okay, that's fine. If it's 1 and 2, I put a comment here. That's a comment, right? Okay, if m0 equal question mark. If this one is question mark, then we can set it safely to 5, right? And then if the second digit here equal question mark, then we can set it to 9, okay? Now we look at this one. If the hour digit, the first digit is question mark, then we have to check the second one. If the second digit of the hour is question mark, or the second hour digit is smaller than equal than 1, is below or equal than 1, right? If this digit is below, is 1 or less, 1 is 0 or 1, then we can put the 1, right? As 0 equals 1. Else, we need to put it as 0, right? Now we complete the first digit of the hour, then we can look at the second digit. If the first digit is, if the second digit is unknown, if this one is unknown, then we have to check if the first digit is, if the first digit is 1, right? If the first digit is 1, then we can only put the 1. H1 equals 1. Otherwise, H1, okay, I'm running out of space. H1 equals 0.
If it's because I added that comment.
Yeah. Okay, then after that, right? This is quite simple. After that, we have this H and M, and we just need to reconstruct the term. So return.
Why do you have a red pen that is about black?
Good question. I don't know. Return.
That's because he lost it, but he didn't want it to dry out. So
Return dot join H plus column, right? Plus column plus dot join
how could you
No,
ever
me.
forget the name?
column. Okay, not
Although
semicolon.
every first line you say column.
Even at the beginning of the like you say
Okay.
define something. What I say like column.
Oh yeah. At the beginning, yeah, I used to say, I used to ask you what's missing, and you say
Column.
column. Yeah, column. No, like, I forgot. Because we haven't done that for a long time, so that's why I forget. I sometimes that confuses me as well. Column and semicolon. Okay. Okay, so this is one solution, right? So basically, we just check digit by digit. What's the time complexity?
1.
If it's one, then two.
What's the time complexity?
One.
Yes, oh, one.
Yeah!
What's the space complexity?
1.
Oh, 1, yeah, oh, 1.
Yeah!
Because this problem is bounded, right? It's given a time. We give a string with only 5 characters, and we just need to check 4 characters at most, right? This is a bounded problem.
Come on, lipstick.
Okay. Okay, so we can have another solution, which we are going to talk about in the next lesson. We can do a search. We can first of all collect the index, which is unknown. We can collect the digits. We can try the digit from 0 to 9 for each possible digit, and obviously that's too much searching, and we have to check if the given term is valid, and if it's valid, then we have to remember which one is the latest, right? This is true false. Okay, then we're going to talk about that in the next lesson. But to sum up, today what we have done today is that we're given a string of time, 12-hour format, where the hour is from 0 to 11, the minute is from 0 to 59, and we want to find out, obviously there are some character which is unknown, right? Either in the time or minute, and we want to find out the possible latest time. And the solution, as you come up, okay, is to check each digit separately. For the minute, it's super simple, right? Yeah, the last digit, if it's unknown, it should be put 9. The second last digit, if it's unknown, we should give it a value of 5. The hours will be quite tricky because we have to check the first digit. If the first digit is
If it's 1, then 2.
0 then 9.
Okay, that's it for today. Bye bye.
That's it for today. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
If it's 1, then 2.
If it's 0 then 9.
Okay, bye bye.